Santa. And this is just more standard breakfast things. Check out the gingerbread man. We also had a little break time, coffee time in here, but they're too full for the moment. They told me to go upstairs, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I remember this place too, for some reason. It's funny coming back to places you've been to before. Where's the breakfast menu around here? Breakfast menu? Ah, English
Would
menu.
you like to start with something to drink?
Just water, regular water,
Sparkling.
still water.
Small bottle.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I think I can order too.
Yeah.
Is a breakfast burrito any good?
Burrito, yeah.
Is it good?
Bacon, it's included. It's okay.
What's the most popular thing here?
Actually, with egg food, most popular it's poached eggs with avocado. No, you don't like that.
Not anymore.
Okay.
I used to.
Burrito, O2, or maybe the chicken crispy.
I don't want burrito. I can get burrito.
No? Okay. Maybe it's the chicken, crispy chicken. Just a moment.
You mean chicken and waffle?
Yeah.
No, that's Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah. What do you
Okay,
like? What
I'll
do you
take
like?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
with
Like
toast.
scrambled eggs or omelette?
Can I have over easy, please?
Over easy.
Please?
Fried eggs over easy. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. You have also 2 sides included.
Oh man, I can't read that.
2.
What is what's Schlitzlach?
Schnittlauch is chives.
Is it healthy?
Chives. It's
What's the healthiest things here?
bacon. It's okay.
I mean, yeah, sure, but what's healthy?
I tell you, avocado and lux is something. Salmon is something what the people. Really
That's what I
take.
want.
Or we have those 2.
No, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yes?
The avocado and
Avocado
the.
and salmon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Still water small one.
Thank you so much. Well, that was easy. What's up, everybody? I wanted to show you this juice bar that I came to. Come along. Everything healthy is in here and fresh. Look at all this stuff. Made in Switzerland. Even the bananas. And if you guys want a fresh juice, come here. I'm going to show you which juice I got. The juice I got was this right here. Spectra Yellow. That's what I recommend. It was juicy and tasty. A little bit expensive, but I enjoyed it. Take it easy. What's up, YouTube? I'm figuring it out very quickly here. I'm always going on a tram back to Central, because Central is where my train station is. That train station was closest to my hotel. So I'm waiting on the next train here. And you just have to make sure you're going the right way. Otherwise, you gotta figure your life out. So I'm here now, right? I'm gonna wait on my train. And then after waiting on my train, I'm gonna go back to the hotel, charge up a couple things, prepare for whenever there is sunset. As you guys can see, it's not a very sunny day around here. But these are the views that you need to know when you travel to Switzerland. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to do the work for you. So when you go to the airport, you're going to go to English. And this is Zurich. That's German for airport. That's how you get to the airport. Right here is where I'll tell you the platforms generally where the train's going to go from. It's $3.50 Swedish to go. So I've already diagnosed where I'm going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow, my train leaves on platform number 4, 5 a.m. in the morning. That's on the other side of platform number 3. I got some drone footage of me walking down platform number 3, but I'll be on number 4 tomorrow, early in the morning. Let's see what else I record and capture for the day, but this is the standard place that you need to pick up a train ticket if you need it. I also have these other little train tickets that I bought here, generally good for 30 minutes. And truthfully, no one's really checking it, so you can just buy and do whatever you want. I'm getting really good at this. So I'm waiting on bus number 8. Bus number 8 is going to be here in 3 or 4 minutes. And like I said, all you got to do is go to this machine right here. Standard old machine. You pay it, and then you wait on the public transportation. But I'm getting good at this. You will too in a couple of days. I'm going to link my Monaco video. I don't know if anybody remembers, in Monaco, I was able to take the bus over and over again. I'm doing the same thing out here in Zurich, and I'm proud of myself for it. And I'm going to show you what I'm about to do next. Just stay tuned. Don't you stop this video. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to a new place. And you know, I really wanted to go to this place the whole time because it reminds me of Austria and Belgium. This, standard stone pathway. Looks like an old town ahead of me. I didn't think I was going to get back out again one more time, but I'm out here. There's no rain. There's love in the air. Just hanging out lightly for now. And as soon as I can, I'll be back at the room to get a little bit warmer. So when the sun sets around 4:30, 4:45 today, I'll be going right back to the hotel and changing it up. Now's the time to enjoy the last of what Switzerland has to offer. You guys can see the jewelry on the left and the right. Look at this nice jacket. Oh yeah, that suitcase. Beautiful restaurant right here. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to pause this video. Lost again. Thank God we have Google Maps, right? That way. That away, that away. I'm going the right way. Found it. Mom, dad, change the channel. Little bro, change the channel. Sisters, change the channel. What is it that we have here? Number 4. This is the one I need to get on. Let the people off first. Don't be rude. Make sure you get on before you get left. So just in case you start getting lost, you can always check the tourist service right here, right behind me. It's in the central location. They've been very helpful to me all day long. I haven't done anything they've recommended, but they're helpful, okay? So if you don't know what to do, you can come ask them. They're very helpful. They get paid to help you. It's right back in here. I could ask him for an interview, but I don't think he'll do one. Good morning, everybody. It's time to go home. But before I go, I'm gonna make a Christmas wish. Shout out Carmencita. Check it out. See you in the next vlog. Take it easy.